wallet. Here's the cherry on top: government incentives. The federal tax credit can knock up to $7,500 off your tax bill. Many states offer extra rebates or perks, like cashback or reduced registration fees. Some even let you use the carpool lane solo or park for free. Combine federal and state deals, and you could save over $10,000. These programs make EVs more affordable and reward you for going green. Check what's available in your state. You might be surprised. It's never been easier to make the switch. Let's meet some electric standouts, vehicles that are not only changing the way we drive, but also redefining what it means to own a car in the modern world. These electric cars are more than just transportation. They're statements of innovation, sustainability, and style. Each one brings something unique to the table, and together, they're leading the charge into a cleaner, smarter future. The Tesla Model 3 changed the game: sleek, fast, and loaded with tech. It's the car that made electric vehicles cool, turning heads with its minimalist design and impressive performance. With a range that rivals many gas-powered cars, the Model 3 has become a symbol of the electric revolution, showing that you don't have to compromise on style or speed to go green. Step inside, and you're greeted by a giant touchscreen that controls almost everything, from navigation to entertainment to climate. The instant acceleration is a thrill, making every drive feel futuristic and fun. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about enjoying the journey in a whole new way. And with features like Sentry Mode, your car is always looking out for you. Cameras and sensors keep an eye on your vehicle when you're away, offering peace of mind whether you're parked downtown or at home. It's like having a personal security guard built right in. The Nissan Leaf is a true pioneer, affordable, practical, and perfect for daily commutes. It was one of the first mass-market electric cars, making EV ownership accessible to more people than ever before. The Leaf's compact size makes it easy to maneuver through city streets, while its quiet ride turns every trip into a peaceful escape from the noise of traffic. One of its standout features is the e-pedal, which lets you accelerate and brake using just one pedal. This makes stop-and-go traffic a breeze, reducing fatigue and making city driving smoother and more intuitive. It's a small innovation that makes a big difference in everyday life. Then there's the Hyundai Kona Electric, a small SUV with big range and style. It's perfect for those who want the versatility of an SUV without sacrificing efficiency. The Kona Electric stands out with its bold design, advanced safety features, and a driving range that lets you go farther on a single charge. It's agile, roomy, and great for families or road trips. Whether you're loading up for a weekend getaway or just running errands around town, the Kona Electric offers plenty of space and comfort. Its quiet cabin and smooth ride make every journey enjoyable, no matter the distance. The Kona's unique grille isn't just for looks. It cleverly hides the charging port and helps boost aerodynamics, making the car more efficient. It's a smart design choice that shows how electric vehicles are rethinking every detail for a better driving experience. These cars prove EVs aren't just eco-friendly, they're fun, versatile, and ready for anything. From zipping through city streets to cruising on the open road, electric vehicles are up for any adventure. They're changing perceptions and showing that sustainability and excitement can go hand in hand, and the choices keep expanding. More models are hitting the market every year, offering a wider range of options for every lifestyle and budget. Whether you're looking for a compact city car, a spacious SUV, or something sporty, there's an electric vehicle that fits your needs. Whether you want speed, space, or savings, there's an electric car for you. Some models focus on performance, delivering instant torque and thrilling acceleration. Others prioritize comfort, cargo space, or affordability, making it easier than ever to find your perfect match. The future isn't just electric, it's exciting. With bold designs, cutting-edge technology, and ever-improving range, today's electric cars are paving the way for a new era of driving. They're not just keeping up with the times, they're setting the pace. The options keep growing, and the technology keeps getting better. From advanced driver assistance systems to smarter charging solutions, every year brings new innovations that make electric vehicles more appealing and accessible. There's never been a better time to go electric. With so many choices, improved infrastructure, and the promise of a cleaner planet, making the switch is easier and more rewarding than ever. The road ahead is bright, and it's powered by electricity. Of course, there are challenges. Range anxiety, the fear of running out of charge, is real, but most new EVs go 200+ miles per charge. For daily driving, that's more than enough. Long road trips require planning, since charging stations aren't everywhere, yet. The good news? Charging networks are expanding fast and apps make finding a charger easy. It's a new habit, not a deal breaker. Every year the bumps in the road get smaller. Remember range anxiety? In 2026, it's history. Today's EVs have advanced batteries, more energy, more miles, no extra weight. Most new electric cars easily go 300+ miles on a single charge, some reach 400 or more. Long road trips? No problem. Daily driving. Charge once or twice a week, often overnight at home. Wake up every morning with a full battery, no more gas station stops. Smart onboard computers manage your range and show charging stations along your route. The car does the thinking, so you can just enjoy the drive. Range anxiety is gone. Freedom is here. Worried about charging time? That's old news. DC fast chargers now add 200 miles in under 20 minutes, just enough time for a coffee break. These chargers are everywhere: highways, shopping centers, city hubs. Your car or phone app finds them instantly and handles payment automatically. No fumes, no mess, just plug in and go. Fast charging and a vast network make EVs practical for everyone, even apartment dwellers. Long-distance travel is as easy as ever. Charging is now quick, simple, and convenient. The numbers don't lie. EV sales are booming. Electric cars are now a common sight everywhere. Government incentives and investments in charging infrastructure have fueled this growth. Battery costs have dropped, making EVs more affordable. Lower prices, plus savings on gas and maintenance, mean EVs often cost less to own than traditional cars. People want these cars for performance, savings, and the planet. The excitement is contagious. As more people go electric, their friends and family follow. The market is unstoppable, reshaping the auto industry. Electric is the new normal. The shift is real and it's accelerating. The future belongs to EVs. Why is everyone switching? It's simple. EVs are better to drive, quiet, smooth, and responsive. Plug in at home, wake up to a full battery, and skip the gas station forever. Fast charging networks make long trips easy. Electricity is cheaper than gas, and maintenance costs are lower. No oil changes, fewer repairs. Regenerative braking even extends brake life. Over time, the savings add up, and you're making a difference. Less pollution, cleaner air, and a healthier planet. It's a smarter, more enjoyable, and more responsible way to drive. That's why your neighbors, friends, and soon you are going electric. It just makes sense. The electric switch is happening now. In 2026, electric cars are the foundation of our automotive future. Range and charging are no longer obstacles. EVs are exciting, beautiful, and affordable. The only question is how fast the world will switch. Technology keeps improving. More range, faster charging, new vehicle types. Cities will be quieter, air cleaner, and life better as EVs fill our streets. The shift to electric is a chance to redesign our world for people, not just cars. For car lovers, this is a golden age. Faster, smarter, and greener vehicles. The electric car has won hearts and minds. Next time you shop for a car, test drive an EV. You won't be disappointed. The road ahead is bright. Let's enjoy the ride. The future is electric. See you on the road.